Hello, good morning. Welcome to the live. So last day of the week. Gold is pushing up. And let's do our analysis again. So gold is pushing up. And we need to wait to see if price can close above this area to potentially continue up to this area. So looking at this, we are looking for a closure above this resistance and for price to continue to push up in this scenario to this level. Okay, so yeah, but if we can find a resistance here, maybe we'll go back down. So we are creating a low here at this point on 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute just pushed up straight to this area, and from here we have another resistance. So let's wait and see how price react to this level. I think if we can find a resistance here, we can push back down. And yeah, let's wait for price to show us something we can recognize. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. Mr. Amol, how are you?
Yeah, bro. Amazing. How about you?
Not too bad. Great. Great,
Hello,
great,
Sangaré.
great. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you? It's been a couple
Yeah,
of weeks.
yeah. I heard that you are killing the prop firm.
Yeah, just today, I guess before our opening of London, New York session,
Okay.
booked 3 trades, made today 1%.
1% or 3%?
1.3%.
1.3%. 3 trade. Good. You are making profits. That's the most important.
Yeah, just focusing not too big trades. Like I'm just focusing 1:1 RR or 1:2 RR. It's enough for.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you are taking 0.5% risk or 1% risk?
I'll go by in a Raja dynamic risk, based on the position of the market trend. I'll book the. I'll place the trade. I'm going with like small lots, one lot. If I see any good, if I'm 100% sure the market will go down itself, then I'll place 5 lot.
Oh, okay. You are more aggressive on the A place setup, and for the rest, you are going with normal risk.
Yeah, man. My psychology is almost dependent on the sell for bearish market itself.
Okay. Yeah, I think from a logical perspective, I was thinking about that last time. It's more easier to pull something down than to rise it up,
Yes, yes,
you
yes.
know.
We
And
don't know that market will go how high. We don't know, right? But we know till where low it can go.
yeah, and exactly. And also looking at in physics, looking at the gravity, so it explains everything, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So
If you stick
also,
to just one trend, like if you stick to just sell or buy, next day when you look at the market, you'll be easily able to notice where is a good setup. If we keep on going buy sell, our psychology it will be a mixture of many things. If you're focusing on only one trend, we'll find very good setup just by looking the chart.
yeah, yeah.
It's my perspective. For others, it may be different.
Sorry.
It is my perspective. For others, it may be different.
Yeah, it's good if that's work for you, you know. It's
Yeah,
good.
man.
I know also a lot of trader focus a lot on selling side, short selling,
Mm.
just because first there is less people on that side for selling, and there is
Yeah.
more people that are getting that sells their stuff, right? Let's say, so
Yeah.
if you are a seller,
Mm-hmm.
so you need to sell position against people that are in buy initially and now they want to sell,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So,
Yes.
and a lot of people tend to be optimistic, you know, optimistic, and think
Yeah.
that
Yeah. Optimistic.
price will continue to go up, push up. They see only the optimistic view of the market of or the part of the market. And if there is more people on that side and you go on the other side,
Mm.
you put more
Mm.
chance in your favor. So that's also the philosophy of some people, but yeah. But for me, I do believe that only price action matter in terms of trading. So if you have a solid price
Yeah.
action, you only have two possibility: buy
No.
or
No.
sell. And that's a 50 at any point of time, 50% chance. But if you pick up one side
Yes.
only, it's yeah,
Mm.
it's yeah. Now the probability will depend on how you trade. I don't think it is a problem. It's not a problem. Now the probability will be on
Mm.
your side, on your ability to execute good trade consistently, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
but if you want more opportunities to profit from both direction, buys and sell, but because sometimes you can
Mm.
be waiting a lot of time to have a selling opportunity, and you are going to miss
Yeah.
out on the buys opportunity. So
Mm.
if that's not a problem for you, you can wait based off your goals and your
Yes.
strategy. Perfect, you can do that. But if you want to be really fluid in the market, and take
Mm.
advantage of the opportunities that present to you, so we
Mm.
have only two possibility: buys and sells. So you decide on each day which one gives the best opportunity, you take that.
Yes, man. Yes.
But for the reason for price to move up or to move down is a strong technical.
Mhm.
Oh, so strong technical base of your playbook.
Yes.
But maybe you can say, okay, it's easier for me to identify sells than buys. then that's perfect. If your minds work that way. I think that it is even the same for me. I think my sells are better than my buys. I don't know if I can see that. There is a place where you can, here.
Actually, in MT5 in phone, yeah, you got over here.
So
In phone, I know all the most of the settings, but in desktop, I'm not able to explore all the settings of MT5.
max drawdown 3%. Yeah, good.
It's looking very good, Sangaré.
Yeah, I'm in drawdown now. So okay, long and short. Right. So if I take a look at, so my short
cells are working
most of my trade are on sell side, and in term of so this is this week, I guess. Oh, on weekly basis, the average.
Right now, I'm not focusing on the profits or how much I make. I'm focusing on my streak. I've maintained the streak across. I've traded from a couple of months. I've been trading in demo account, and from couple of weeks I'm trading in a live account. So till today, I have maintained win rate of 100%. I don't want to break it.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, I have 50. On average, I have 58% of sells and 41% of buys. And so on a total trade of 111, so my win rate is 45%. Wow. That's why
it's really good. It's really good.
Yeah, that's why my risk reward ratio need to go up, and that's the reason recently I'm focusing on letting my trade goes to their full potential. Yeah, my win rate, so yeah, it says here 47%, almost 50%, right?
Yeah, almost
50%
even
win rate.
Even Raja has of 60-70, but even it's very good. It's really good.
Yeah,
most of the traders don't even have that much.
Yeah, I think I understand my problem. My problem is I'm taking a lot of bad unnecessary trade. I need to eliminate that, and I need to let my trade goes to their full potential.
What I've learned from my trading journey is, after getting two loss trade or after getting two profitable trade, human psychology becomes very depressive or greed. After two profitable of two loss trade, we should stop the day. We should stop the trading for the day.
Yes, a 1 to 2 trade. It comes down to what Raja said, 1 to 2 trade a day.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. Even after two profitable trade, our mind doesn't look where is the good setup. My mind's just look where I can get more money. It's very bad. It's really bad.
Yeah. So I tend to have nice wins on Tuesday and Wednesday. And I tend to lose a lot more on Fridays.
Friday.
Wow. And on Thursday, it's like even. So
Tuesday profile is really good. Tuesdays.
And I tend to lose on Mondays. So I think that I need to be careful on Mondays and
Fridays.
Fridays.
And improve your Thursday, making the profits more.
Yeah, be careful also on Thursday. But it looked like Tuesday and Wednesday are the days I perform a lot more.
Yes, man.
I think that one of the reason Monday is not that much good is during the weekend, a lot of stuff going on. You are coming back to the chart and you are not really in the game yet.
Yeah,
So it's Monday is like the pre-workout. And once you get into the workout, you have the momentum. So Tuesday is better because I got the pre-workout on Monday, and Wednesday also is good. And Thursday, it starts to slow down, and Friday, it starts to get emotional.
Or you can do on Monday and Friday, you can take small lot size.
Yeah, that's also another way of seeing it. I think what I need to do is to really focus on simple stuff and also let my winners run. I think that's my biggest problem. I will be taking a lot of unnecessary loss. If you look at my history, you will see that a lot of unnecessary loss. And sometimes I think that doesn't happen a lot, but I got a couple of emotional trading where I took a big loss. If I look at all history, so you can see that I take winning trades. I tend to take winning trades, but sometimes the losses are big. You will take a couple of good winning trades, so your winners are not that much big and your losers are big. So I need to show more consistency in the setup, quality of the setup I take.
Or you should do daily journaling of your trades.
Yeah, I tried that, but it didn't help me a lot. I still, even though I do the journaling, a lot of stuff, but I still do the same mistakes. I tried the journaling very seriously for for quite some time, but I don't know, it didn't click for me. You see, the winners are not that much big. Only I think only three big trade I took here. Wins. But even this one, it could have been better. If you look at all these trade, I could have got even more on this trade. But the other one, I tend to secure profit too soon, not letting trade go to their full potential. And yeah, look at these 10 pips trades. So 10, 20 pips. But if you take a look at the losers, wow, it's kind of the same. It's kind of the same. So my loser
almost
and
your win trades and lose trades are almost equivalent.
Yeah, almost equal.
You need to reduce the losses.
That's why I have a 50% winning, almost 50% winning rate. And so I think my risk management is good. Only sometimes I tend to take a big loss, I think. So most of the
Even
time,
Amol had said,
if you look
even a
at
couple of
my
times,
if you
Amol had said you are the most safest trader in his circle.
yeah, because look at all my loser. Even if I'm very, let's say, I did bad on one day,
Mm,
on one single trade, I haven't lose
mm,
more than, yeah, only one time I lose more than 2% here.
mhm.
So most of the time it is within 2% loss, max 2%,
Uh,
max 2%. So most of the time 1.5, 1.5, less than 1.5, but the max 2.6, 2.3, 2.2 for the day. I think there have been one day where I took, so that happened one time, I think 2 weeks ago.
mhm.
I took two 4% loss, but
Oh,
two trade where I lose 2%. But I did
even
that.
I can't afford.
I
I
did
can't afford
that.
even 3% drawdown because in
Yeah,
my platform daily drawdown is for 3%. I
yeah,
can't afford that.
yeah. That was pure emotional trading. So, but if I'm not emotional trading,
Mhm.
my losses are within 2%. Now the
Yeah, man.
number one tweak I can make is, the only reason I also took these losses, full loss,
Mhm.
is
Mhm.
because I try to complicate things, right? If I only focus on
Mhm.
simple setup,
Mhm.
even if the trade doesn't work in my favor, I will at
Mhm.
least be able to lose
Mhm.
way less. I will not take the full loss. So
Yeah.
therefore, my loss will be maybe a half of the risk,
Mhm.
less than 1,000. My loss will
Yeah,
range
man.
from that. So I think that's the trick I need to make for the loss part,
Mhm.
and the winners will take care of themselves, and let the
Yes.
winners go to the target. If I focus on the basic things, and let,
Mhm.
when it's the winning trade, let it go to a target, and if it
Mhm.
goes against me, the worst case, I will be able to manage risk and lose less
Mhm.
than my risk. I think that's the change I need to make.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
sometimes it's difficult because also the way my mind work, it always look for complexity instead of
Uh,
simplicity. I think one thing
just I
one
guess
thing.
we traders think that using complex strategy gives best or accurate results.
I think one
Even I have
thing.
done same mistakes.
Sorry.
Even I have done same mistakes making complex strategy, but simple things just works.
Exactly, simple things just work. And I don't know why I have the tendency to do that. And it's not only in trading, it's in a lot of things. It's kind of the way my mind was working is like, if it feels too simple, I say, okay, there is something wrong, right? It's kind of
Mhm.
my mind work like that.
Yeah.
So I think I need to change that completely. One thing I struggle with is like every day I come to the charts, and that's why I'm struggling to focus on the simple things, because I come to the
Mm-hmm.
charts every
Mm-hmm.
day with
Mm-hmm.
the mindset that I need to be able to capture the daily move, right? The move that happened that
Uh,
day, I need to be able to capture that. And
but,
if I don't capture that, I tend to judge myself as a bad trader, right? And
no, man, no, 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 no,
that's
no, no.
the, yeah,
Raja,
I
I guess
know.
Raja said that we have to wait for our strategy setup, even if it's been 7 days for trading, we must wait for our setup.
Exactly. So I think that's one thing I'm struggling with, right? to just focus on that, on what I know that work, instead of trying to capture the daily move, right?
Maybe because of your
Because
peer pressure, or you are doing like that, peer pressure, or your friend circle are making good. Your FOMO, fear of missing out the market moves.
I think it's not fear of missing. I don't have FOMO. I'm very disciplined. I'm not very, but I'm kind of disciplined, right? But the thing
Yeah, you're
is,
really disciplined. I have noticed
the,
it. You are
i- i-
really in our circle. You're very disciplined, man. I
yeah,
have seen that.
yeah. But the thing that's killing me is that tendency to be able to perform all the time and not miss any daily move. Because for me, in terms of performance perspective, if I'm not catching the daily move, it means that I haven't performed, or I kind of see myself as a bad trader because I haven't been able to capture that. I think that's the problem, right? That lead me
Yes, man.
to try to capture the move. But if you are doing that, you are trying to position yourself as someone who have solved the market, and
Yeah.
you can anticipate
Yes.
every move. Or technically that's impossible. You cannot anticipate every move,
It'll
because
make you as a
it will
bot.
create, it will create, there is a lot of change that's happening, and you will create a decision fatigue in your mind. Trying to
Yes.
do
Yes.
that,
Yes.
you are complexifying. So complexity means that you have a lot of variable to compute, that will create a decision fatigue for you. And
Yes. Yes.
and
Yes.
all the
Exactly.
new variables that are happening real time, you will create a problem of managing conflicting information on
Yes, man.
on the spot. And coming into the chart is not the time to think too much. It is
Yes.
just the time to execute.
I
So
guess if you practice this
to
thing for a long time,
yeah,
your mind will become like every move will make you feel like this is a good setup. If you keep on practicing it.
exactly, that's exactly what happened to me, right? Every time that I see something like kind of look like a trade, I feel like, okay, I need to get into this trade because it can move up, right?
Yes.
Instead of
Yes. Yes. Yes.
just keep calm and focus on very simple thing, watch for that to happen. If that happen,
Yeah.
I'm in. If that doesn't happen, I don't care what market does, I'm out. I think that's the tweak. That's the change
Yes,
I
man.
need to make.
Yes.
If I do that simple change, I think everything will change for me. Because the other aspect of trading, I feel like I know that, I can
Maybe
do that.
if you follow that golden rule, you'll be the most profitable trader in dominant markets.
I'm not trying to be the most profitable, but I'm trying just to make this work. to just be able to execute based off what I've learned, right? Exactly that.
Yeah.
So the candle is closing above, and this is the range. So we are, oh man,
Yeah.
this is exactly what I wanted to do. Hey, we have a news. I wanted to
Yeah.
execute. I wanted
There's
to
a speech.
execute right here. Exactly. Before I moved, my zone candle closed. Oh man, I thought it will give me a few seconds before moving. Oh, Lee, 10 a.m. Oh, Fed speak. Okay, I think this is the move of the day we just missed. Yeah, this is a
Sorry,
move.
man, because of my conversation, you missed
No,
the
no, no.
trade.
It's not that. I think we have news as well. Anyway, I shouldn't have executed. We have news. It is a red folder. I shouldn't have executed. Anyway, but this is the move of the day. It's very risky to enter on the news candle, because you don't know if price will just go against you before moving up, or if it will move straight like this. So as a rule, don't trade the news candle. Raja, do buy stop, sell stop. I think that's probably the best way to do it, but also it comes with slippage and stuff like that, so which you cannot do anything about it. I just think there is nothing. It's not your fault. Yeah, right here was the entry, push up. I could have accidentally entered the trade. Maybe.
Or you could enter the trade by placing a pre-order.
No, not pre-order, but you know, usually I look at the time at 59, I just click the button so that at 1, I am already in the trade. I could have accidentally entered the trade and price would just move. But I guess I wasn't ready to execute. But anyway, it would have not been a good trade because I traded a news candle without knowing. And also FTMO rules, I think you can trade during the evaluation phase, but with your live account, you cannot trade the news 5 minutes before.
Okay, news trading isn't allowed in FTMO?
No, 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. I think that windows you cannot trade. But during the challenge phase, I think you can trade it.
We can.
Yeah. Yeah, this is it. This is it for today. This is the move.
Yeah, it's really big move, man.
Yeah. This is a move. This is the move. Yeah, this is it. I will be very surprised if there is, I think price will consolidate after that. I will be very surprised if there is a retracement, support, price to push up. So I don't know. And I'm not gonna wait for that. Anyway, my trading time is finished now. It's done now. But yeah, from next week, I'm gonna try to focus on very simple setup and see what change it will make. News just started.
I should leave. I should take classes for kids.
You should do what?
Tutor too. I'm a tutor. I take classes for kids. Even I should leave now. By now.
Yeah, exactly. I'm leaving as well, so I'm working.
Okay, man. See you on Monday.
See you on Monday. Thanks for joining and have a good rest of your days, guys. Stay safe.
Same here. Take care and bye.
Bye bye.